welcome to our Singapore series. Today is our day 1. हम अपने होटल से निकल गए हैं and first thing that we are doing is that we are going to the zoo, Singapore Zoo. हम एयर इंडिया से आए हैं और हमारी फ्लाइट 11:15 रात की थी but it got delayed by 1.5 hours. By the time we reached the hotel it was 10:30. चेक इन ऑब्वियसली 2 बजे होता है हर होटल का एंड अर्ली चेक इन हो नहीं पाया विच वी वर एक्सपेक्टिंग कि अर्ली चेक इन अगर हो जाएगा तो हम थोड़ी देर रेस्ट कर लेंगे एंड देन वील हेड आउट. तो अर्ली चेक इन नहीं हुआ तो रेस्ट तो बिल्कुल नहीं हुआ. आई हैव नॉट स्लेप्ट द एंटायर नाइट येस्टरडे बिकॉज द एंटायर टाइम द कैबिन लाइट्स वर लिट. मतलब उन्होंने 5 घंटे की फ्लाइट में सिर्फ 1 घंटा लाइट डिम की होंगी, अदरवाइज इट वॉज एब्सोल्युटली लिट. आई एम फीलिंग little bit tired, but anyway we have left. So we're staying at Furama Riverfront Hotel and it's on Havelock Road. हमारे होटल से सिंगापुर जू जो है वो half an hour की दूरी पर है. You can either take the MRT which is like the metro, दिल्ली में जो मेट्रो होता है, or you can take bus. मोनोरेल पता नहीं जाती है नहीं, I have no idea. Or you can take a cab. ऑल्सो यहाँ पर जैसे हमारे दिल्ली में ऊबर है वैसे यहाँ पर भी जिग एक कैब सर्विस है जो आप अवेल कर सकते हो. उसके अलावा यहाँ पर ग्रैब है जो आप यूज़ कर सकते हो. ये सारी जो इन्फॉर्मेशन है आई थिंक इसके लिए मैं एक और अलग से वीडियो बना दूंगी जिससे आपके पास सारी वो एप्स के नाम हो जो आपके लिए यूज़फुल रहेंगे इफ़ यू कम टू सिंगापुर. हमने क्लूक से अपना सिंगापुर जू बुक किया है. So if you're planning to visit Singapore Zoo, so make sure that you check out Klook app. वहाँ पर जितने भी अट्रैक्शंस हैं उस पर कुछ ना कुछ डिस्काउंट आपको ज़रूर मिलेगा.
You should book way in advance so that you're able to get your tickets on the dates that you've decided. And it should be a planned trip because here in Singapore everything is a major attraction and all tourists are always headed towards these attractions. And the real Janta is only tourists. So be well prepared as to what you want to do on which day.
Yeah.
So now let's meet at the zoo and stay tuned.
And हम zoo जा रहे हैं and look at my outfit. White tiger. Perfect outfit to visit the zoo. So nice. This is from H&M. Fashion. This is from H&M. Hey guys, so we have reached and plan of action ये है कि अभी हम zoo के लिए
ये मत दिखा, रोबोट दिखा दो.
Oh God, just look. देखो भाई टेक्नोलॉजी देखो.
रोबोट क्लीनिंग द फ्लोर.
Yeah. Oh my God.
पार्किंग एनफोर्समेंट कैमरा है.
Dude, that's insane. My shoe is not liking the clean floor. हमने क्लूक से ऑलरेडी टिकट्स ले रखे हैं तो हमें सीधा बस अंदर एंटर करना है.
When you book through Klook, then you have to also understand that you have to book for the dates that you want to go to the attraction that you want to go to. And एक बार आपने वो attraction select कर ली और आपने day select कर लिया तो ये आपको उस दिन ही आपको यूज़ करना पड़ेगा. अगर आपने नहीं यूज़ किया तो वेस्ट हो गया. और आप एक बार बुक कर लोगे उसके बाद वो आपको एक लिंक भेजेगा. उस लिंक पे आपको अपनी बुकिंग आईडी और अपनी बुकिंग रेफरेंस नंबर,
वेरिफिकेशन कोड,
हाँ वो सब डालना होता है.
एंड ये अभी सुनने में ऐसा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड सा लग रहा है कि बार कोड, बुकिंग, वेरिफिकेशन, बट एक बार आप ऐप डाउनलोड कर लोगे ना तो आपको बहुत मतलब इट्स वेरी इजी. द ऐप इज वेरी इजी.
इट्स लाइक एनी अदर ऐप है जैसे पेटीएम करते हैं हम हिंदुस्तान में.
हाँ.
समझ में आ जाता है ना इवेंचुअली, वैसे ही है. वी हैव टेकन ऑल 3 व्हिच इंक्लूड्स सिंगापुर जू,
River Wonders and Night Safari.
And it costs roughly about 7,500 rupees per person. And plus a little bit of taxes here there, I think we worked out to 15,326 rupees to be precise.
Rahul, what are you doing there, Rahul? We haven't had food, lunch. So यहाँ पर I think we'll eat something, grab a bite and then we will enter because zoo पूरा कवर करने में इट विल टेक अराउंड 2 to 3 hours. सो कुछ खा लेते हैं बिफोर वी एंटर क्योंकि अंदर आई डोंट थिंक कुछ होगा ना.
अंदर खाना नहीं होगा.
अंदर कुछ खाना, लेट्स सी क्या होगा अंदर. पर अभी अगर बाहर खाना मिल रहा है तो कुछ ले लेते हैं. अब ट्रिकी पार्ट क्या है कि बोथ ऑफ अस आर वेजिटेरियन. बेस्ट ऑप्शन इज टू टेक फ्रूट्स। वो ऐसे तो फिर कुछ खाने को ही नहीं मिलेगा,
लेकिन मैं अपना सामान लेकर आया हूँ।
इसलिए हम अपना सामान लेकर आए हैं, थेपला, बिस्किट्स। आई डोंट थिंक दे हैव वेजिटेरियन फूड हियर। थेपला खा लें क्या? थेपला खा लेंगे?
I've come to the ape kingdom. Primate kingdom. That's the primate kingdom we just went to. And once we came out, we became primates. Look at us. It's a little hot, not too hot.
It's very hot.
Okay. Others are feeling very hot. I'm not feeling too hot.
It's very hot, so if you plan to come, carry water, umbrella, cap. Very
पंखा,
important.
AC साथ अगर खरीद सकते हो तो
Find a husband who can do this.
ये पकड़ ले ऐसे.
Oh, I'm so sorry. He was too engrossed in this. So sorry.
I'm sorry. Peacock. Peahen.
What are they doing? They're chilling.
Chilling. This guy's watching. This guy's excited. He's on Red Bull. He's chilling. He's old. This guy's old. This guy's like the grandmother of the grandfather.
ये स्कूटर का कोई सेंस नहीं बनता है, बट
नहीं बहुत सेंस बनता है.
Why?
For those who don't want to walk, उनके बहुत सेंस बनता है.
Every time you want to see something, you have to park it, and then that's also a problem.
Exhibit for the African painted dogs.
Wow. I'm seeing zebra for the first time.
You can see the animals up close. Next on the right, you'll see zebras.
Where is it?
115 kilometers.
Nice. Wow.
we should stop at the next stop and come back here.
Yeah.
And giraffe on the right.
Wow!
There's another lioness there.
Wow! Wow! I want to come back here.
Yeah, we'll come back here.
देख रहे हो क्या मस्ती चल रही है? हाँ? Do you want to see my view? See this. See this.
Hello, cutie. What are you doing?
That's you, Rahul.
Hanging.
Chilling on the tree.
We left the tram and came back here to see all the animals once again.
Beauty. Cheetah.
Hello, cutie. ये lioness and that's the son of the daughter.
From Australia, Rahul.
रख रहा हूँ. हाँ, अब हो गया. अब प्रोसेसिंग हो रहा है. ऊपर से गिर रहा है.
Wow. This is nice, fresh juice.
और उसके नीचे एक वो ग्लास है, उसको उठाओ नीचे से. हाँ. Yeah.
Wow. Cheers.
दिखाओ. This is what it looks like. And now it's a
it's
sealed
sealed.
pack. Yeah. Perfect. See, you're good at it.
Juice.
Yeah.
Orange juice.
Hi, cutie. What's happening?
From which angle is he cute, Rahul? Oh my
He's so
god.
cute.
I think he's hungry.
Can I pat you?
I think he's waiting for his food.
Yeah. He's waiting for food to boil. Do they move fast?
Lass nach mir Spielchen.
So finally we're done with the zoo. It took us 3 long hours to see everything. Now there's penguin also. वो बोल रहे हैं आगे ही है. Did you like it?
It is a lot of fun. If
Yeah.
you have people who are excited and looking
So
at
we
animals.
saw giraffe, zebra, lion, leopard, cheetah, and
lemur, meerkat,
yeah.
hog.
So it was good fun.
Yeah, it is
But if
really
you're
good fun.
coming here, then ये दिमाग सेट करके आना कि बहुत वॉकिंग है एंड आप ऐसे ट्रैम सर्विस ले सकते हो फ्रॉम वन पॉइंट टू द अदर, या फिर एक स्कूटर ले सकते हो जो आई थिंक $20 का मिलता है.
आज अवेलेबल नहीं था तो हम
आज अवेलेबल नहीं था, बट मैं वैसे भी इंटरेस्टेड नहीं थी बिकॉज मेरे को लग रहा था कि हैसल ही है बार बार पार्क करना, एंड देन स्लोप है उसमें. आई एम नॉट वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट, सो वी डिडंट. आई वाज हैप्पी कि आज अवेलेबल नहीं है. सो इट वाज गुड फन. ट्रैम, वॉकिंग, saw the entire place.
walked roughly about 6.5 kilometers, which is a lot of walking.
Yeah.
So please wear shoes when you come here, and you should have a good grip. You should get your umbrella, a cap, sunscreen if possible. If someone has
Shades.
problems, shades.
And the best part is that this is wheelchair accessible.
Yeah.
There is facility for wheelchair, and if you have kids, if you're traveling with kids, then they have small carts जिसमें आप अपने बेबी को बिठा सकते हो and you can just drag them wherever you go. So basically they have tried to make it comfortable for whoever is coming in. So that's a good thing.
You can also get a wheelchair here.
Yeah.
If someone is on a wheelchair, you get a wheelchair here. You can drag the wheelchair. We've seen people here who are a little old who can walk, but still require a wheelchair. So someone sitting in the wheelchair, then a kid sitting in their lap, all that is also possible. Really good squeezed juice,
Orange
freshly
juice,
squeezed
yeah.
juice here. which
Vegetarian food is a problem.
Is, yeah.
मतलब
Kindly get your own
there's-
food.
Yeah.
If someone is finicky with vegetarian food like us,
So they are selling plant-based mutton, so we're not interested in that. If you want to get घर का खाना, अगर आप खाने के साथ travel कर रहे हो, तो you can easily get food inside. Nobody will stop you. आप पानी ले आओ, खाना ले आओ, chips ले आओ, cookies ले आओ, get whatever, and they will not stop for anything. So that's a good thing. That's why we are carrying thepla, cookie, chocolate, candy, little of everything. इसके बाद हमें तीनों चीज़ें करने का सोचा था, but it's not possible. We don't have time. It's already 5:30. So now we're thinking कि हम सिर्फ आज night safari करेंगे and that's it. River wonders we can do on some other day. So right now we'll exit from here. We'll eat something. कुछ अगर मिला तो, वरना थेपला जिंदाबाद. He's eating. And then we'll head for our night safari, which I'm very excited about. It'll be fun. Let's go.
As daylight slowly fades into dusk, searching for the last bit of food before heading home for the night.
Whoa, look at that tail. It's as long as its body.
Yep, and it's about a meter long. Hello, Oscar. Now we're gonna let Oscar.
Really cool fact about the porcupine.
Look at the crowd. It is crazy here. We're going for the night safari, and I think everybody else is also going for the night safari. Do you think we'll be able to do it today? Look at the crowd, dude. Oh my god, it's insane. Dekho. Oh god. We are starting night safari.
And the food down, they take it in mouthfuls of tiny organisms from the water. Deer. These are the axis deer, or barking corn. Ridged horns that are used for defense at dusk to eat their fill of grass are considered one of the most aggressive animals on earth.
Wow.
They are able to chase threats quickly. African lions are much larger when compared to the Asiatic lions. Lion is the national animal of Singapore. Male Asian elephants sport tusks that they use for defense, digging, stripping bark from trees to eat, and more. Sadly, these tusks also make wild elephants targets for the illegal ivory trade.
Finally, we're done with our night safari and we have got vegetarian food. Aplam, rice, this is mixed veg, ये भिंडी की सब्जी and little bit of dahi.
Once you enter night safari, there are actually three things to do. The first is the amphitheater, which has the creatures of the night, which there are two shows. One is at 7:30 and the other is 9:45 p.m. Second, there is the trail, which can be done on foot. And third is the tram.
हमने नाइट सफारी में दो चीज़ें की हैं, क्रीचर्स ऑफ द नाइट एंड द नाइट सफारी. इसमें एक ट्रेल भी था जो हमने नहीं किया क्योंकि हम बहुत टायर्ड हो गए थे एंड इट वाज सो क्राउडेड.
What everybody should do is what we are trying to suggest. Is first you should do the tram, then do the amphitheater, and then you can walk whenever and however, how much ever energy you are left with.
नाइट सफारी में बहुत ज़्यादा क्राउड है, सारे लोग आई थिंक उसी टाइम पर आ गए थे safari?
Because as soon as the Creatures of the Night show got over, there were roughly about, in the amphitheater, there were more than about 450 people who came out and then had to do the tram. So if you do the tram before you do amphitheater, the first show, then you will be happier.
Yeah.
There will be lesser people in the line and you will do it quicker and waste less time.
And about the night safari, I liked it. Did you like it?
Yeah, it's a good experience.
It's a good experience. It's
Even though you will not see like all the animals
yeah.
because they're in the night, but it's a good experience.
It's a good vibe. It's a good experience. And then tram में उन्होंने एक voice over भी लगाया हुआ है that on your left you will see this and on the right you will see that. So that's what they've done. It's pretty cool. It's like Jurassic Park wala feel. So I would definitely recommend night safari. What about you?
Yeah.
Definitely. So now we are eating food finally. I think पूरे दिन की first meal है ये हमारी. हमने सुबह से ऐसे खाना नहीं खाया है, सिर्फ हम ऐसे मंचीज में ही जी रहे हैं अभी तक. So we're going to eat our dinner and head back to our hotel. And tomorrow is another day, and for that you need to come back again to see where we are going. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe and I will see you guys on our day 2. Bye. Good morning guys. Welcome back to day 2 of our Singapore series. Today is 28th of June. It's 10 o'clock and it's raining outside. क्या मस्त बारिश हो रही है. Yummy fruits. Fruits क्या, केला ही खाया अभी fruit के नाम पे तो. Let me give you a small tour of our room. We are staying at Furama Riverfront, as I told you in the first vlog. बहुत messy है क्योंकि obviously हम रह रहे हैं. So basically you enter from here. This is the door. You enter from here. Luggage is on the right side and on the left will be the washroom. It's pretty decent, huge mirror, and this is what I'm wearing. Zara t-shirt, shorts, and I'll be wearing shoes. Here is the cupboard, bedroom, my husband. Hi Bowie.
Hello. Good morning.
Decent hotel, decent room. I have this mirror here. You can get ready. See our vegetarian खाना, आधा खाना हमने बैग में डाल चुके हैं हम, क्योंकि हमें खाने का बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है यहाँ पर. And you can just sit here and see outside and enjoy the rain.
मटरा तो ले जाइए.
सिर्फ मटरा ले चलो. तो हम ये सब चीज़ें कैरी कर रहे हैं. थेपला, खाकरा, बिस्किट्स, लच्छा एंड कुकीज़ एंड अंदर मटरा, ये सब चीज़ें डाल दी हैं. सो आज का प्लान क्या है? सो टुडे इज़ डे 2. सो आज हम जा रहे हैं. बुबू आ जा. सो टुडे आवर प्लान इज दैट वी आर गोइंग टू यूनिवर्सल स्टूडियोज. वी आर वेरी एक्साइटेड. राहुल इज वेरी एक्साइटेड बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली राइड्स हैं. राहुल को बहुत पसंद है. मुझे इतना पसंद नहीं है, बट फिर भी आई थिंक द एंटायर वाइब.
Because Universal Studio is not just about
rides.
It's about the entire experience.
Yeah.
So I think we'll enjoy it.
So from here, you can either take MRT to reach Universal Studio, or you can take a cab.
Or a monorail.
Or a monorail. Or a cable car. That is also an option. But if you take a cable car, then uske liye first you have to take an MRT. And then from there you have to take cable car, which is for 15 minutes. And then again take a monorail. So I think that's a बहुत ज़्यादा ये भी वो भी एवरीथिंग. एंड आई डोंट थिंक वी आर इन अ मूड टू डू दैट. एक दिन में पूरा यूनिवर्सल स्टूडियो हमें कवर करना है एंड वी वांट टू कीप इट फ्री. वांट टू जस्ट टेक आवर टाइम टू जस्ट एक्सपीरियंस द होल थिंग बिकॉज देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स टू डू देयर. Okay, he's gone. So I don't think I've spoken about this on my channel, but I have this condition called vertigo. And that's where I'm a little concerned कि मैं क्या क्या राइड कर पाऊंगी. But I'm hoping like I want to do everything. And अगर कोई ऐसी राइड होती है जो मुझे लगता है that it can trigger my vertigo, I will skip. So if you're going there and if you have some issues like that, then make sure that you check everything before you do it. So the tickets, again, we have booked through Klook. एंड वहाँ पे हमें डिस्काउंट भी मिल गया था. बट यू कैन बाय द टिकट्स हियर ऑल्सो. द टाइमिंग्स आर 11 to 6. अभी 10 बज रहे हैं, तो वी विल लीव इन 10 minutes एंड लेट्स have an exciting day. I'm so excited. Mummy ride, Transformer ride. I'm very excited. Chalo, let's go. Before we start, let's have some coffee. नहीं जोते को पीनी है, कैफे लाते ही लेंगे. ये फ्लोर साफ करने के लिए. What is it?
It shows you all the attractions that are in the vicinity.
Oh. And it cleans also.
Yeah. Singapore
Night out
morning city tour. We can do this also. That they'll sisters pick us up and take us.
Yeah.
Scan to book कीजिएगा.
जैसे हमारा इंडिया में 24/7 है, यहाँ पर 7-Eleven होता है. एंड यहाँ पर अगर आपको सिम कार्ड चाहिए ना तो 7-Eleven पर अवेलेबल होता है. $10-12 का मिलता है. एंड इफ़ यू टेक इट फ्रॉम द एयरपोर्ट वो 40-50 सिंगापुर डॉलर्स, सो विच इज़ एक्सपेंसिव. 7-Eleven से लेना इज़ मच चीपर. देखो यहाँ से सिम कलेक्ट कर सकते हो. सो वी हैव लेफ्ट एंड हमने एक छाता खरीद लिया बिकॉज इट्स रेनिंग आउटसाइड. एंड आई वांटेड टू से वन मोर थिंग दैट अगर आप टैक्सी से नहीं जा रहे हो एंड आपको अगर MRT यूज़ करना है तो आप एक तो यूज़ कर लेना. हमने ये कार्ड एयरपोर्ट से ले लिया था. इट्स कॉल्ड इजी लिंक. लैंड होने के बाद एयरपोर्ट से ही ले लेना इफ़ यू वांट टू ट्रैवल फ्रॉम MRT एंड मोनोरेल एंड बस. ये तीनों में चलता है, आपको अलग अलग लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. हमने ले लिया पर अभी तक हम ट्रैवल नहीं किया. पर अभी तो 2 ही दिन हुए राहुल. वी स्टिल हैव लाइक 4 days. सो यूज़ तो ये ज़रूर होगा फॉर श्योर. ये आपको एयरपोर्ट से मिल जाएगा फॉर $10. $10 था और एक $48. वो अनलिमिटेड था.
That is for 3 days unlimited.
3 days अनलिमिटेड. एंड देन उस पर टॉपअप आपको कराना पड़ता है. दिस इज़ $10 जिसमें आपको $5 ऑलरेडी इसके अंदर होगा. एंड देन आप टॉपअप कराते रहो एज यू ट्रैवल. अगर केबल कार से नहीं जाना है क्योंकि केबल कार में 3 चीज़ें आपको बदलनी पड़ेंगी तो आप सिर्फ मोनोरेल से भी जा सकते हो. एक MRT आई थिंक आई एम नॉट श्योर हावर स्टेशन तक जाना है एंड देन वहाँ से मोनोरेल यूनिवर्सल स्टूडियो तक लेके जाएगी विच इज़ कम्प्लीटली AC. केबल कार में AC भी नहीं है.
Now that we've told you all this card is available in Delhi at our residence. Kindly contact us and take it from us, and it will have $5.
We will use it, Rahul. vibe is insane here. Express pass here because it's so crowded. $110 you can do unlimited rides with express pass, and the other one is कि हर ride आप एक बार कर सकते हो express pass के through. We have our bands here. Express, yes. Now see the amount of people here for normal line. This is express. And here is the ride.
In case you missed them, here's your run rules.
For the transformer ride.
कार है वो ट्रांसफॉर्म होती तभी ट्रांसफॉर्मर थे.
That's the bumblebee. Oh. Look at this ride.
We are going for it. Let's go.
I think this is the most difficult one, na yaar?
Not difficult at all.
So these are the lockers. किसी ride में bags बिल्कुल नहीं ले जा सकते हैं. So you access the lockers from here.
You have it for 45 minutes. If you use it for anything above 45 minutes, you have to pay $2.
Okay. So let's collect our bags. Let's go. We're going towards the mummy ride. That's the ride we did just now. Oh my god, I'm so proud of myself. It's called Galantica Human. Look at him. Help. Wow, Rahul. That's some skill. He's helping them with a picture.
Video?
Wow.
How do I get them?
We got this! Hey guys, it's 6:30 p.m. and we're out of the Universal Studios eating thepla because there is no vegetarian food here. My jaw is hurting because throughout I was just smiling and looking at everywhere. Amazing experience. Can't tell you in words. I was dancing and singing. I did all the rides apart from one, which is Cylon. I'm so proud of myself that I was able to do all the rides and I didn't feel scared. Luckily, my health is also okay till now, not feeling anything moving, so that's a good sign. It was so good, so good. As you already saw in the vlog that we took the express passes, क्योंकि इतना crowded था यार that हमें लग रहा था that 2-3 चीज़ों के अलावा कुछ कर ही नहीं पाएंगे. And because of the pass, we were able to do most of the stuff. कुछ ही 1-2 चीज़ें रही हैं जो हमने नहीं की है, but apart from that we did everything. That is possible only because of this. वरना लोग तो 1-1, 1.5 घंटा they were just standing in the queue for their turn. It was so crowded. But this express pass is not valid on 2 rides. One is the canopy flyer and the other one is the treasure hunt. Treasure hunt हम कर भी नहीं पाए because it was so crowded. Weekday पे इतना crowded है कि weekend पे तो बुरा ही हाल हो जाता होगा. तो if you plan to come here, make sure it's a weekday. थोड़ा तो भीड़ कम होती है weekday पर. Come early. So we entered around 11. 6 बजे के बाद कोई भी ride नहीं कर सकते हो. So make sure that you give the entire day to this place. It takes a lot of time because of the crowd. For every ride you have to stand in the queue. It's an experience of a lifetime. It was so good. If you want to get food from outside, chips, thepla, kakra, biscuit, all that, you can get everything here for खाने का, क्योंकि यहाँ पर वेजिटेरियन खाना आपको नहीं मिलेगा. What you can get here is नारियल पानी, कोक, वाटर, फ्रूट्स, मे बी कैंडी, ऐसी ऐसी चीज़ें आपको मिल जाएंगी. बट फूड लाइक अ पास्ता, पिज्ज़ा, बर्गर, वो मिलना इज़ अ प्रॉब्लम हियर. यूनिवर्सल स्टूडियोज़ के अंदर भी बहुत सारे फूड स्टॉल हैं, बट वहाँ पर वेजिटेरियन खाना नहीं है. इट्स बेटर इफ़ यू गेट योर ओन फूड इफ़ यू आर अ वेजिटेरियन. माई कॉफ़ी इज़ हियर. चीयर्स. माई बूबू, हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस?
Amazing, yeah.
Hana?
I would recommend everyone to come, take the express pass, but take the express pass for only doing it once.
Yeah.
If it's that much of bid. We got a lot of crowd, but I hope everybody doesn't get that much crowd. But it was super fun. It's an action-packed space.
Your favorite ride?
The flyer.
Canopy flyer?
Airways. What is that, Airways?
Oh, Enchanted. That's your favorite? Mine is Transformers.
Enchanted.
Really? That was a very small ride, Enchanted. बहुत ही अच्छी अच्छी राइड्स थी यार. Enchanted थी, Shrek की 4D मूवी थी. That was also good. Too cute.
We did the human, which is meant to be very scary and all of that, but there wasn't much to it. Firstly, they were very small ride. Secondly, they've been hyped too much. There is not much happening in them. If you have kids, please get them here. They will have a blast over time.
अब क्या प्लान है?
अब इससे चलें मोनोरेल से.
अब मोनोरेल से वापस चलना है. तो सीधा चले मॉल. See you.
So we decided that we'll take the shuttle bus service from Universal Studios to Harbour Front Station, and Vivo City Mall is also right there. RWS8 is the bus number. And it's free of cost, anybody can travel. एक चीज़ मैंने नोटिस की है सिंगापुर के बारे में, वहाँ के जो लोग होते हैं वो हर किसी चीज़ के लिए लाइन बनाते हैं. देयर इज़ अ क्यू फॉर एवरीथिंग. सो बस के लिए क्यू, आप अगर मॉल जा रहे हो, स्टोर जा रहे हो, किसी स्टोर में एंटर करने के लिए क्यू, छोटी से छोटी चीज़ या बड़ी से बड़ी चीज़, हर किसी के पास आपको लाइन मिलेगी. और ये तो कुछ नहीं, वो एस्केलेटर जब यूज़ करते हैं तो भी लाइन से ही चढ़ते हैं. बहुत ही ज़्यादा ऑर्गेनाइज है सिंगापुर.
यहीं पर घूम लेते हैं एंड देन उसके बाद वी टेक द MRT एंड वील गो बैक. There's a metro app, Singapore Metro app, which you can download. It's very, very helpful. I am a complete mess right now. So now we're heading back to the hotel and we're going towards the MRT. That's the MRT. This is exactly like Delhi Metro. Very well connected and exactly the same system. So we are back to our hotel.
Today was a very exciting day. We had some great fun and we did some little bit shopping in the middle.
Yeah.
We were unable to feel our feet.
We're done for today and I will see you guys with another day, another fresh vlog. And till then, bye.
Oh wait, we're not done yet.
On TikTok and I don't know where else, every time you see him, you must celebrate. He always comes here, she always comes here. I'm not okay, like he, they, she, him, whatever. Like.
Every time the frog comes here, I'll stop the song.
Yeah, we're always at the
and I'll
frog.
shout for the frog. Frog, 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 frog. Everybody salute! Come on, salute the frog! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Oh, he's going, he's going.
This is the frog, he's so beautiful. Hello frog, everybody salute the frog and like fist bump and do whatever.
It's my favorite frog. He's over here. Oh, he's dancing.
What's that?
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to our Singapore series. It's our day 3 in Singapore, and today we are going to Sentosa Island and we'll go to Luge Park. So we're going there and we'll explore that side of the area. Let's go and start with our day. Luge Park की tickets हमने Klook से book की हैं. Let's start with our day 3 in Singapore. Let's go. Before we start with our day, like always, let's have a cup of coffee. It's bright and sunny outside. It's good weather, no? The weather is amazing today. So we're staying at Furama Riverfront Hotel. It's on Havelock Road, and from here we're walking towards the MRT. MRT is basically the metro. We've reached. So it takes about 5 minutes from our hotel to reach the MRT. We're here and we need to go here.
But from here we have to go to Outram
and then change. Okay, let's go. So there is no security here. You enter and you go. Like nobody will check your bags. Nobody will scan you.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby.
We're loving it here. The Luge Park is just amazing.
It's a nice, fun activity to do.
Yeah.
So basically what happens is you go up and then जैसे हम go-karting करते हैं, it's the same concept, but you're actually going downhill. And you come down and then this is how you go up again. It's fun, it's nice. I'm liking it. Look at the view behind. Nice. Nice.
After having a wonderful time at Skyline Luge and Siloso Beach, we decided to go back. From the beach, you need to walk down towards the bus station, and bus A will take you to Imbia Lookout Station. So we are waiting for the bus here, and it takes about 10 minutes to reach the station. Once you reach Imbia station, you need to walk. I must tell you, there's a lot of walking in Singapore. So you need to walk from there about 3 to 5 minutes to reach Sentosa station, and from there you'll get a cable car. The cable car line is Mount Faber line, so that is the line you need to take to reach Harbourfront station. And while we were walking towards the Sentosa station, we came across this. This is the Sentosa Nature Discovery. It is actually a museum which offers indoor and outdoor nature exhibits. We were here for about an hour. We sat here, we had some peaceful, quiet time. It's lush greens. If you like to be close to nature, you will definitely enjoy this. Chirpy bird sound will definitely relax your mind. From Sentosa station, we took the cable car to go to Harbourfront station, and Vivo Mall is also right there. अब मॉल में MRT है या MRT में मॉल है, ये जानना तो बहुत ही मुश्किल है, but both are right there.
And we've almost reached.
Now, because the MRT station and the mall are right there, you can either continue with your journey, take the MRT and go to your destination, or you can take a break, have a cup of coffee, maybe eat something, shop a little, and then continue with your journey.
We are here and we need to go to Chinatown, and then from there,
Go to Fort Canning station.
yeah. अच्छा यहाँ से यहाँ चले. दो भी घाट है भैया यहाँ पे, दो भी
Baby got.
घाट.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.
Hi, this is 6:30 p.m. and we are at Fort Canning Park. It's very close to our hotel. It's a beautiful park with a fort in the center. This is the first time in my life in a park I've seen escalators to come up.
Yeah.
You will feel part of nature here. It's best to come in the evening around 4:30ish
Yeah.
so that it's not hot. Besides all the fun activities of Singapore which are highlighted everywhere, this is one which is outstanding for people who like nature.
It's peaceful,
I would recommend it to
quiet,
everyone.
for a nice walk.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
And you'll also see the city from here. It's very close to Chinatown and even Clarke.
So now from here we are going back to the hotel, and let's
see what next.
Look at the view. Look at this.
Look at the skyline of Singapore from here.
And we took the MRT to go back to our hotel, and it started raining in the evening, so we decided that we'll call it a day, and tomorrow we'll start again.
Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to our Singapore series. Today is day 4 in Singapore. We're leaving our hotel. So plan is that we are going for River Wonders today. जाने के लिए we will use MRT because MRT हमें सबसे best option लग रहा है यहाँ पर. Cabs are pretty expensive, so we're leaving the hotel. This is the outfit of the day. Let's go. And just like any other day, first some coffee and then fun. Cheers. It's raining. That's our hotel. We're walking towards the MRT and it's such a beautiful walk. We have to reach here, Khatib, which is the closest metro station. So right now we are here. Everybody is standing in a line. Dude, that's insane. So from Khatib station, we need to take a bus to reach River Wonders. Supposed to be amazing, and there's a panda here, so I'm excited to see. It takes about 1 hour, 1.5 hours to see the entire place. See, Lily! Welcome, Lily! Lily, we're coming for you. So listen, I'm not going to show you everything here because what's the point of just showing you the entire thing in the video. I'll show you just a glimpse of it so that you get an idea of what exactly this place is.
From this place?
Enjoy the walk with me, and in the end I will tell you how our experience was. Oh my god, can you see the teeth?
I can see it smiling around.
Super cute. It was an awesome experience, man. So we're eating fruits.
The fruits are amazing. Do not miss them out.
We're almost done. It's just the boat ride which is left. Cheetos. So you need to buy the tickets to go for the boat ride. It's for $5 per person. Wow.
Monkeys on your right.
Greetings, explorers, and welcome to Amazon River Quest. The Amazon River Basin is an amazing place full of life. As we take this boat ride, keep your eyes peeled for welcome of large wildlife among the rich vegetation.
Rabbit, Maharaj.
Mara. So we did the ride twice. In $5, you can do this ride as many times as you like. Okay, these are the cotton monkeys.
Cuties.
Wow.
Cuties. They're very friendly. They'll come to you only.
These are really cute and so active.
Yeah, they're bloody active. Should be cool for it too. They can't fly in this.
Wow. It was such an amazing experience. Bubu, तेरे को कैसा लगा?
Loved it.
So from here we are booking a cab from Grab, and from here we are going to Gardens by the Bay. So Gardens by the Bay पर बहुत ही अच्छा light show होता है. We will roam around the entire place first and then we'll see the light show. Such a beautiful drive. And we are here. See that? flyer from here. You can sit in the cabin and takes 30 minutes to finish the entire round, and you can see the entire skyline of Singapore. Now we're going there. So we are at the Super Tree Grove, and look at the view here. You can either go to the observatory, which is here. From here you go on top and you can see the entire skyline of Singapore. That's one thing you can do, and apart from that there's another thing called OCBC Skyway, which is the bridge that you see, the yellow bridge that you see. It's the walkway, so from here you go up and you can do the entire bridge walk. I don't want to buy any tickets, then this is for free. You just come here and roam around. Everybody here is waiting for the light show. From here you can see Marina Bay Sands Hotel also. Do you guys want to see my view? That's my view. Waiting for the show to start.
Look at this stuff. Isn't it neat?
Oi!
Amazing.
Amazing! Oh my god. I would suggest that if you're coming here, just lie down on the floor and watch the entire show. Amazing show, amazing show. If you're coming here, 7:45 and 8:45 is the show timing. Now from here, we are going back to the hotel. We'll change and then we'll go out for dinner. Finally, we are back, and now from here we'll walk towards our hotel. 5-minute walk. भैया सिंगापुर में बहुत walk करनी पड़ती है. Hey guys, so now we're going out for dinner. We had such an amazing day today. River Wonders. It was amazing. It was a different experience, and it's so amazing to see how they have made the entire setup. Even the boat ride was amazing. We did it twice. I saw Panda for the first time. Actually, we both. And then ended our day with Flower Dome and Avatar and the beautiful gardens by the bay. And Light and Sound show at Super Tree was just so magical. You just lie down on the floor and see the entire show. It is magical. That's the word for it. Now the plan is that we're going out for dinner, and if I find anything interesting, I'll loop everything in. If not, that is it for today's video. Good morning guys, welcome to my vlog. Day 5, is it? Or 6? Today is our day 5 in Singapore, and today we'll explore the neighborhood. We're going to Little India, Haji Lane and Orchard Road for some shopping, and that's what we're going to do, so come along. This is one of the famous restaurant in Little India, and we hope that we like the food. Very excited to try and hoping that the food will be good. How was it?
Very good.
idli sambar, plain dosa and Mysore plain. If you want to eat vegetarian food, then Little India में आप आकर के you can have vegetarian food. So there are a lot of options here. After all the walking, थोड़ा pamper तो करना बनता है. Feeling sleepy now. The massage was great. पैर एकदम brand new नए हो गए हैं ऐसा लग रहा है. Now we are going to Haji Lane. So both of us are going out for dinner, early dinner. So we went to Little India and Haji Lane. Haji Lane is just superb. If you're coming here, you must visit Haji Lane. The vibe is so nice, it's so lively. Now we're going out for dinner. We have two restaurants to visit today. One is Dai Tin Fung, which is a Chinese restaurant. And the other one is Neon Pigeon. So हम दोनों restaurant visit कर रहे हैं before we leave Singapore. Tomorrow we're leaving. And आज हमारा पूरा exploration चल रहा है with food. Whatever we can experiment, explore. So that's what we're doing today. I think our cab is here. So we'll see you soon.
Alright.
Bye.
Dim sums Varsha is eating.
It was a complete disappointment.
How we spent our last day in Singapore. It was indeed such an incredible experience. Thank you so much for joining us on this adventure, and before you go, please subscribe to my channel and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Hi boy.
Hello.
So today we are leaving. 11 p.m. is our flight from here. But before we leave, we thought we'll take one last stopover. Right now we're going to East Coast Park, which is about 18 kilometers from our hotel. So we thought जाने से पहले we have like 4-5 hours to just do something. तो हमने सोचा आज पार्क में जाकर के we'll just sit. We'll do a little picnic here.
Yeah.
And we're here. Look at it. now we're leaving from here and we're going back to the hotel. We'll pick our luggage and we will leave for Changi Airport.
You're giving me wind and rain.
Thank you, Bui, for such an amazing trip.
Baby, you
Thank you.
make midnight.
We're going home.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself.
So we've reached the airport and Singapore आए और Changi airport नहीं explore किया तो क्या किया? They've been awarded, I think, for the 12th time as the best airport in the world. We are at Terminal 2 right now and we are going to drop our bags and do our check-in and take the boarding pass. We are going to do that and from Terminal 2 we will go to Terminal 1. We will go to Terminal 1 where the Jewel is.
The spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine.
So from T2 we need to take the Sky train to reach T1 where the Jewel is. So we are waiting for the train.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain.
We're here at the Jewel. Wow. Look at this. Wow. And while we're seeing the beautiful Jewel, look that side of the corner. Working out. Full on, yeah, must energy. Work. And look here. Wow. It is beautiful, Rowley.
Some kind of butterfly.
It feels like one of their attractions and not an airport. It's so green. It's like a jungle. It's so pretty. It's beautiful. Bubu, ये airport लग रहा है देखो. It's like a jungle.
It is like a jungle.
So green and beautiful.
I'm so happy I could show you.
It is unreal. It's unreal.
Look at all this forest. Look at the forest.
Rahul, let's go and eat now.
Baby, you give me midnight.
Food with a view.
But I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get.
So that's the Canopy Bridge. So we are at level 5 in Terminal 1. Here are the attractions which you can do. You can go for the Canopy Walk, Canopy Bridge. That's the Canopy Bridge. So basically people go there to have a better view of the Jewel. Canopy Bridge का तो view पता नहीं, but I'll just show you the view from here. This is the view from the 5th level.
Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh.
their security check-in. So you scan your boarding pass and your passport, and that's it. I cannot believe this. It took us exactly 3 seconds to do the security check. We're at the terminal जहाँ से हमारी flight है. It's insane यार. कोई क्यों नहीं थे यार? ऐसे कैसे राहुल? Can you believe that?
So there are these bunch of questions I have for you for this trip. Best place about in this trip?
Universal Studios for sure.
What was your most epic ride amongst them?
Galantica Human. I never thought that I'll be able to do that, and I'm so proud of myself. Like I cannot believe that I did that ride. It was possible only because of you. Because you forced me.
Which was your best meal or best food that we had at the Universal Studio?
Favorite meal?
Favorite food that we had there?
At Universal?
Yeah.
Khakra, thepla. Actually, I would say meal though I don't know, but I really enjoyed fresh orange juice. Thoroughly. It's a good concept, great concept.
What unique fruit did you see or eat here?
Ice apple.
What was the best moment in Singapore that you had with your husband?
So best when we walked from Clarke Quay to our hotel, and while we were walking, he sang a song for me and we danced, did some twirl and twisting, some dip. So that was good.
What was your worst part in this trip?
That you have to wait for everything. You have to stand in queue. Alright, so that is it for today's video. We had a great time in Singapore, and thank you so much for all the love. And I will see you soon with another location, another vacation. And till then, take care of yourself, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.